Hi, it's Ronnie and welcome to my channel. And welcome to How to Kill a Kit with Style. And this is one of the HSN kits that I got many years ago. And it is a 2-page spread. I've got the little picture of it right there somewhere right underneath my hand. And I will pull it out and let you see it, but I am not going to do a 2-page layout. I am not going to use even close to that many pictures on my page. I'm going to use one. And I'm going to go pick some more stuff. That's why the thumbs up. And this is the stuff I went and picked out. The photo. And I picked some dies, but I'm not going to end up using any. I got way more than I needed. And I thought I'd just see what would go on here and what wouldn't. And still try to use as much as I could out of the kit. And I'm copying part of it just like it is. Well, my stuff's going to be over to the right just a little bit more, I think. But I'm pretty much copying what the original had and then just adding to it. I'm going to map my photo and I'm going to put 3 layers behind it. I wanted all 3 colors since I'm going to be using all 3 colors in my layout. And there was enough. I was surprised on a couple of pieces of paper. I thought I'd have to cut my picture down a little more. I did cut it down some, but I thought I was going to have to cut it down some more. This is my niece's kids. And when her kids were born, I wasn't making scrapbook albums for babies. And so she missed out. And I asked her if she wanted baby albums for them or nowadays albums, as they grew up or something. And that's what she wanted. So it's going to be a through the years album. And they were in the back seat of the car for this one. And the thing is, she made one of those now and later pictures. And she sent me the later picture with them in the same pose. But when I tried to print it printed out really horrible. It was very pixelated. And so I'm going to try to get a hold of her and see if she can send it to me again, if she still got it, because it's been a while since she sent it to me. And hopefully I can get it and it's not pixelated. If not, I'll ask her to do the same pose another time. But it was a couple of years ago that she sent that to me. And she just sent it to me. I mean, that was before I told her, I'd make her the albums. But yeah, I thought I'd do the next page as that, even though I kind of put it out of order. Just because I thought it'd be cute to have it, then and now. If I get it, I'm going to put then on this page and now on the other page. There were the letters for home chipboard ones, and it was already printed on this. Well, it looks bigger than a 3x4 card, but not quite as big as a 4x6. But I decided I'd go ahead and layer them on the home that was already there and add dimension to it. But it's "You Are Home to Me." And I thought, our kids are always home to us, no matter what. I pulled out this green because it matched the green in the layout so well. It has a mint color plus it has the green. And I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same colors in the layers behind the picture that was in the layout. And I thought, I need green. So I found this scrap, and that's all I found. That's why I'm gutting this one piece. I was planning on putting Smile up there by the house. And then I decided to put some flowers instead. And you will see them in a little bit. They're pink fresh, and I couldn't resist putting them on my layout. I did put foam tape behind the picture. And that one that says "I love you," that circle, it went on the opposite page. But I decided I was going to go ahead and use it on this page anyway. So if I do use the other page for something else, it's probably just going to be a completely different layout. I'm not going to have nothing hardly left to put on there. That doily, I thought about making the doily. That's why the dies are there. One of the dies has a doily in there. But it was small. And then when I looked at the "I love you," I thought, oh, I really want to use that on there. But where can I find a place to put it? And the only place I could put it was where I was planning on putting the little die doily. And so then I thought, well, I'll just get a bigger doily and put it on here. So it worked out pretty good. There's the flowers that I'm going to put on there. There's only like 2 sets, and I wanted to repeat the flowers 3 times. So I will be fussy cutting out a strip that has like 3 little flowers on it. They're not quite the same as the others, but they're still pink fresh. So it still goes. The shades are really close. Yeah, see, I'm putting the 2 on there, and I put this has my heart on there, and it's dark blue, and really there isn't anything else dark blue except in the photo. The seats are dark blue, so I thought I'd go ahead and work. And here's where I go ahead and cut out this piece here, and I'm going to use the front and the back side of it and make 2 tabs. And see the flowers there? I'm fussy cutting them out. These kits are gorgeous, but they do call for an awful lot of photos. And they're cut in all kinds of sizes. It's not like they put a couple on there and had them the same size or something. They've got all kinds of sizes. So I just kind of kept off, well, putting off doing anything with them. And I thought, I'm going to stick them in there this month. They've sat around way too long, and hopefully have a few of them done, if not all. All would be awesome. I went ahead and rounded the corners on here. I could have pulled my chomper out and used it on there, but the one had the flowers right next to where I'd have to use it, and it'd mess it up, so I knew I was going to have to do it by hand, and I didn't want to mess the flowers up, so I thought I might as well do them all by hand. Make them match. Oh, and there's the end, and this is my layout. But if you look down there below, you'll see links to all the other gals that's doing How to Kill a Kit with Style this month. And if you leave a comment, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who are, thank you so much. But yeah, I even had a couple comments last week when I did one, well, the other day, whatever day it was, that they had these same kits. And I'm hoping everybody pulls them out and puts them together with a layout. Add a few things to it. Mix the old with the new. But have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.